Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Insight. Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of John Cena, a name synonymous with wrestling, acting, and philanthropy. We'll be drawing insights from his life and career, focusing on the powerful lessons we can learn about perseverance and the importance of adapting to change. This story, much like the tales we find in inspiring biographies, offers valuable educational ideas and motivation for us all. John Cena wasn't always a household name. He grew up in West Newbury, Massachusetts, and while he was a keen athlete, he faced his shared challenges. He wasn't an instant success in the world of professional wrestling. He had to work incredibly hard, honing his skills, developing his persona, and facing constant rejection. Imagine the dedication it took to travel from town to town, performing in small venues, just hoping for a break. This reminds us that success rarely comes overnight. It's built on a foundation of grit, determination, and a refusal to give up on your dreams. Cena's early career is a fantastic example of the power of perseverance. He didn't let initial setbacks discourage him. Instead, he used them as fuel to improve and grow. Cena's career took off when he adopted the Doctor of Thugonomics persona. This character resonated with audiences, showcasing his charisma and rap skills. But as his career evolved, he had to adapt. The Doctor of Thugonomics gimmick eventually ran its course, and Cena transitioned into the face of WWE, a role model for countless fans. This transition wasn't easy. He faced criticism and had to reinvent himself. This highlights a crucial lesson. The ability to adapt is essential for long-term success. The world changes, and we must be willing to change with it, embracing new opportunities and challenges. Cena's willingness to evolve is a testament to his adaptability. John Cena's impact extends far beyond the wrestling ring. He's a dedicated philanthropist, granting hundreds of wishes for children with life-threatening illnesses through the Make-A-Wish Foundation. He embodies the idea of giving back and using his platform to make a positive difference in the world. This teaches us the importance of empathy and compassion. True success isn't just about personal achievement. It's about using our abilities to help others. Cena's commitment to philanthropy is a powerful reminder that we all have the potential to make a difference. John Cena's story is a powerful testament to the power of never giving up. He faced setbacks, criticism, and the constant pressure to perform. But through it all, he persevered. He embodies the idea that hard work, dedication, and a positive mindset can overcome any obstacle. His journey is an inspiration to anyone who has ever faced a challenge, reminding us that with enough determination, we can achieve our goals. So, what can we learn from John Cena's story? Firstly, perseverance is key. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Secondly, be adaptable. The ability to change and evolve is crucial in a constantly changing world. Thirdly, give back to your community. Use your talents and resources to make a positive impact. And finally, never give up on your dreams. With hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Thank you for joining us on English Insight. We hope John Cena's story has inspired you. Remember to subscribe for more inspiring stories and lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing forward.